All right, welcome to Kennedy Park.
Hello and welcome to the CB channel. That's short for Cargo by David. You know you want to get on your bike and ride, get out, somewhere, anywhere, to the park, to the farmer's market, play board games, or ride the roller coaster.
For goodness sakes, and really, there were people already there. They were saving picnic tables. Maybe they were reserved, I don't know, tablecloths, balloons, streamers, coolers, extra chairs, all the necessities for outdoor celebrations. So what I did not know, and I don't think too many people knew, was that Kennedy Park, after 2 years of renovation, was finally open. I can't recall any announcement, any promotion, no grand opening, no flyers. It just magically opened.
And welcome to the new and improved Kennedy Park.
But before I get on with the good stuff, there are two bummers and one concern that I would like to point out. All the tennis courts are gone. And again, the horseshoe pits, they are no longer horseshoe pits. They've now become seating areas.
We'll have the train here. All right, let's see what's shaking.
The bigger bummer is that there are no current plans to bring back the children's favorite petting zoo.
Good morning. Are they going to redo the pet farm? Petting zoo? Ah, bummer.
Yep, no more having to pick your son or daughter up off the ground from a random goat head butt. Followed, of course, by the obligatory slathering of hand sanitizer from overfeeding those very same goats. In any case, all the facilities seem to be in place. And lastly, a super concern of mine and many other people is that Target has recently acquired a liquor license. It's bad enough that people bring spirits in beneath the law, but imagine the idiots who are already drunk, wanting some more alcohol, crossing the street to get more alcohol. It's a recipe for disaster, and in my opinion, people are gonna get hurt. But who cares about my opinion? Hopefully, we can pray for common sense, sanity, sobriety, and common decency. We shall see. So anyway, now to focus on the good stuff, check out as I circumnavigate on my cargo bike this brand new park. It's great to see that the San Lorenzo train station and the railroad are still there. Another child and big kid favorite, the carousel. It's still there. It's still in its same place. All the play structures are brand new. A big old cool looking farm truck to play on. Kind of looks like Metallica's blackened truck that we saw at Aftershock. There's also a brand new maze for the kids to get lost in. Well, hopefully not lost like that, and you find your kid. Hey, get lost, kid! Maybe some anal, evil parents will get lost instead. That would be much better. There still remains an abundant amount of grass areas for all sorts of activities. 4 sections total. Frisbee, football, European football, wiffle ball, baseball, and now there's a bocce ball court up near the train station, but you'll have to bring your own balls. There are multiple benches, both covered and open-aired. Many barbecue pits of various sizes are strategically strewn around many gathering areas. There's a lot of trees that have been removed, but as you can see, they did keep more than enough with covered pergolas to make up for the lost shade. And there are some newly planted trees that will one day mature to provide even more shade. The snack bar is there and will likely be open on weekends and holidays. Maybe. For me, I'll never forget Kennedy Park as a kid growing up in the East Bay. There used to be a fighter jet in the park. That's right, in the middle of the park, in the middle of the bark, way back in the 60s. It was gutted, all the electronics were moved, all the sharp stuff were moved, well, most of the sharp stuff. But you could climb in, all over it, into the cockpit, through the fuselage, and I think out the tail. It was pretty amazing. A more horrifying memory of Kennedy Park was the time we were having a swing competition. You know how kids are daring each other to see how high each other can swing and then to jump off to see who can jump the farthest. Well, swing, 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 launch into the tan bark, and blammo. Well, I think I might have won, but the reality is that I flung myself so out of control that I landed quite poorly, knocked the wind out of myself. I knew that feeling well, having been through a collapsed lung at the age of 6, but man,
Good morning.
there's nothing like gasping for air. I can't remember who helped me to calm me down and regain my breath, but oh boy,
Dangerous.
was that a memory etched in my brain. Anyway, the park is looking great. Maybe we'll see the Zucchini Festival back in the summer. Maybe not. And maybe there will be a delayed grand opening. Keep your eyes out for the East Bay Park's memo on that. Hopefully. So Kennedy Park, it's open. Get on out there, get some fresh air, let the kids run amok, and enjoy the efforts of our community. Enjoy the efforts of HARD, Hayward Area Recreation Department. They are the working folks that brought this all together. Thanks for watching. Enjoy Kennedy Park. Get on your bikes and ride. Get on the Bay Trail. Check me out on YouTube. That's where we're at. Subscribe. Instagram. Face the Slapagram. I don't do Twitter anyway. Don't do Twitter. Probably discontinue my account now. Who knows?
Subscribe and roller coaster. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next installment of the CBD Show. We hope you learned something or had fun watching. Do you enjoy riding bikes? Do you commute to work by bicycle? Have you ever wished you had more winter stuff? Would you like to learn more? If you answered yes to one or more of those questions, or even if you are just interested